Other basic design tools are the Draw Bezier tool and the freehand drawing tool, which is something like a pencil. So let's have a look at those two tools. So the freehand draw tools looks like a pencil, and that's exactly what it is. I can design free shapes just clicking, so something like a pen on paper. Of course, it's gonna be easier to design something when we have like a graphic tablet and a pen. With the mouse, it's not so easy. Let's see, for example, I try to design an art now. Yeah, of course, it looks quite bad. And now you see that if I use the node tool, I can see all of the nodes and be free to modify them. But what we see is that this design, it's really shaky, it's really imprecise. So now let's have a look at this other tool, the Draw Bezier Curves tool. This is not actually like a pen, but it's more like a technical drawing tool. So for example, I click here, then I move my mouse and I click again here, and then I click here and I keep clicking. If my mouse button is still down, you see that now I can drag these handles that will change my curve. And then I can click here and draw another curve like this. Then I click here again, and you see that it's like I have a half of the heart, which is not so precise now, but it's better, it's less shaky than the first one. So I click here again and another curve. I click here again, and then I join. You see that there is this snap. If I go close to this node, I have a snap. I click enter, and now I have a heart, which is not good at all because I'm not good at drawing, but you can see the differences between that one that we draw freehand and the one that we draw with giving just geometric information to the software. So which tool is better? It depends on what you have to draw, because of course if you are into sketching or if you are into lettering, of course the freehand tool could be better. But if you already have in mind what you want to design, it's better to use the Bezier curve tool. And it's also possible sometimes to design something freehand on one layer, then go to another layer and design again following the lines, but using the Bezier tool or other geometric tool. So it's like creating a draft. You create something with your freehand tool and then recreate it again with more precise instruments. How do Bezier curves work? It's not so easy sometimes to understand it, but it's like if we click and just move the mouse and then strongly click again, we create some straight lines. But if we click and keep clicking, we have those two handles which give to us a rotation of for the curve. So sometimes it's difficult to control and to know what to expect for this kind of drawing. For me, it's easy to to imagine like if I have a rope and a couple of sticks that will hold the rope in one place and then to another. It gives to me an idea on how the Bezier curve will work. But it's something quite complex, and for this course, on a basic level, I tend to say just play with it, just try, and with the experience you will understand how it works. Sometimes it's more difficult to explain how it works than just do it.